shop's all boarded up. Sad to see it like this. Should find a low-profile way in. Don't want to draw attention. Here we go. Hello? Man, this place is dusty. No one's been here in a while. Rick's ESU textbooks. He took night classes so he could keep running the shop during the day. Guy was unstoppable. Someone left the lights on. Some kind of meds. GCSF. Used for treating bone marrow decay. Whose was this? Roxxon ID for Ella Sterling. But the photo is of Finn. Finn was working with someone to break into Roxxon. The team that created Nuform all got sick. Wait. Rick was project lead? Nothing in here's been touched for at least 6 months. Must be more hiding somewhere. Someone bricked this up recently. Okay, this is a secret room. Finn must have designed all the Underground's gear. Funny how we both started wearing masks. Video file from 6 months ago.
Running a test upload.
Half my team is sick, but Krieger still want him in his Nuform. We need to do this tonight.
Let me. You sure we're ready?
We have to be. They broke ground in Harlem today, ahead of schedule.
Poisoning the city to make a buck.
They keep cutting corners, ignoring safety reports. I can't let them pervert my work like this, Finn.
Okay, first we flush the core, then we wipe all data. You're sure they can't just make more of this stuff?
No, as long as we take out the backup supply in Jersey too. But without me, they'll have no idea how Nuform works. Project will be DOA.
I'll record us. Things go wrong, video uploads straight to the Bugle.
Perfect. You ready to save New York?
Ready.
There's a second video.
Damn it. No uploads. Phone must have been damaged. I won't let tonight be for nothing. I promise, Rick.
They were trying to shut the Nuform project down. But something went wrong. Last known location of her phone. If I can track it.
Okay.
Come on. Be invisible. invisible, be invisible. Come on.
He's here! Don't let him leave!
Whoa! You get close?
Straight up vanishing really freaked these guys out. Can't get the drop on them till they calm down.
Can't be that up! Stolen Spider-Man near the computer!
Where the hell did he go?
I've got him locked up!
Getting kinda overwhelmed. Should use camo to get some breathing room. These guys are still on high alert. Gotta let them chill before I can get the drop on them. Round two.
What's he doing?
Must have tripped the silent alarm or something.
You don't stand a chance against us, Spider! Here, we'll show you real pain!
Good night.
Get out here and fight!
I like that.
Thank you for that!
More friends joining the fun?
Okay, come on! He's here somewhere!
Nap time, girl.
Can't be a hero if you run from a fight! That was weird.
There you are! Why do you never make a mistake, Spider-Man?
Okay, back to that computer. If I can find Finn's phone, maybe I can understand what happened to Rick and why she became the Tinkerer. There, got a location.